Okay, filming now. This is Andy, this is Joo-Lee. We're from Lindy and this is the Swing Dance Day in Barnard Castle.
Alright, so we started off with a bit of a recap on pass fives. So we're just doing 6 count pass fives. So we have step, step, a rock, step. So the emphasis for this one, we're trying to keep it nice and neat, small footwork. Leaders are going to try and stay on the spot, so we're not having an equal bump thing where we're both travelling. I'm staying in one place and moving as little as possible. From there, we went on to close position and we did our close and book. So rock, step, triple step. You notice Julie's changed position on my tricep, the bigger muscle. So to continue that rock, step, triple step, and triple back, rock, step, triple back.
A reminder for followers, we'll turn our backs to you. Your arm is somewhere here, then when your foot leader is in front of you, down to the tricep, and then when you're going back, move back up again. And at all times, remember your arms, don't neglect your arms, and remember to roll through your feet so that you get good rhythm.
And then we took that into our extra step set, so rock, step, triple step, and step, step, triple back. Remember that the step step is led by your bodies, not your feet. Remember this exercise where I turn my body around, pick up one foot, put it down, pick up the other, put it down. We automatically turn, so I'm not going turn, turn with my feet. So there we have our release. Rock, step, triple step, release, step, triple step. And I simply catch Julie as she goes back. Following that, step, triple step, release, but I keep with that, hold with my hand, let's do it from here. Rock, step, triple step, release, insert Julie's right hand with my left. So from there, we did our bring-ups. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. So out of one, I can accelerate it a little bit with a slightly more exaggerated rock, step, triple step, and I turn around to face Julie. So that brings us into our swing out position 4. From there, rock, step, triple step, we can have our release. We can have our release and keep holding. Rock, step, triple step, release, step. I just keep holding. This is again. Rock, step, triple step, keep holding on. Our full swing out, and then of course we can stay in our close hold on jockey. So rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, and we have our circle. So there you have your various fundamental swing out elements, but in a form where you can take all those elements separately, play around them with whatever order you like. And don't talk about jazz steps with it.
Yeah, so when you're practicing, don't necessarily repeat the moves over and over again. Because in social dancing, you won't necessarily do one move, then another, then another. There's a lot of pressure on new leaders, but also very tiring for followers. We suggest that you take a break by having some jazz steps. Either of you could initiate the jazz steps. So here's an example. You go rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, step, triple step, triple step. And if I've had enough, or I feel like the music's calling, that just makes the dance more varied, more manageable. Is that okay?